Hello guys and welcome. We just checked into the Pune. Uh, Hello guys and welcome. We just checked into Hotel Woodland in Pune. There, she booked it. It's all. If this hotel is horrible, it's all on her.
What the hell?
So yeah, so we just came here to see Shanivarvada, and we're just going to catch up with a couple of my yoga friends, and then we're going to push off to Bangalore tomorrow morning, bright and early. And let's do a quick review of this room. So this seems to be a hotel which has undergone a lot of renovation in the recent times. And if you can see, yeah, you can see that the AC and all, they've replaced the old AC with the new one, and you've got a lot of old nails and those sorts of stuff here. But they've done a good job, and the furniture is quite old, but they've kept it clean. So yeah, it's quite okay, quite decent, and quite usable. We're about to check out from this place and head out to Shanivarvada and then to Bangalore. So this Hotel Woodland, yeah, if you can see the name. This place is running in really low occupancy. Apparently, only 2 rooms are occupied for the day, and yeah, so we got hot water in buckets. Anyway, the food is pretty decent, and it's okay. It's a decent place to stay. Yes, how much did we spend here?
2.5.
So it's this. We paid 2,500 for this room. So yeah, guess a little bit on the pricey side for what we're getting. Anyway, so we're about to head out. I'll see you later. Bye bye. Guys, some really disappointing news. Apparently, Shanivarvada is closed because of some lockdown, some mysterious lockdown. I have no idea what's going on. Literally everything, every shop in Pune is open except for this. I have no idea. Look at this. Look at the face of disappointment, Papa. We were really looking forward to this, and this was the whole purpose of us staying back in Pune to visit this place. Damn. Anyway, and to add to that, some mysterious animal has taken a dump all over my car. You can see on the glass. It's just okay. Hang on. Let me just put it down. Can you see that? This is all over the car, and yeah, we have to get the car washed and cleaned because there's some night driving to be done today. So I have to get the car washed and need to have clean glasses. So need to find a car wash now. Hello everybody. So we just finished our breakfast at this. It's quite a nice place. It's called Brahma something. It's on the way when you get out of Pune. Very nice place. Very good South Indian food and very good Marathi food as well. So go give it a try. Okay. The bottle in its place. The camera bag in its place. And we are set to go. So for this leg of the journey, Manu is going to be driving. She's all set. Look at her. And she hates night driving, so I'm going to be picking the driving up, like say around 7 o'clock.
Yes.
Let's see. So if you can see, we're just about to join the highway, the Bombay-Bengaluru road, and we are going to be on the way. of course, the traffic is crazy. Everybody's wearing a mask but not a helmet for some mysterious reason. Welcome back. We are in the Satara Ghats and look at this. Manu is absolutely enjoying driving. Look at the smile on her face. Really beautiful roads. There's a bit of traffic, but it is fine. It's fine. So the new Conti UC6, they're like pretty nice on these roads and whoa, look at that Innova. Anyway, so we're going to be done with the Ghat soon and we'll be going down towards Kolhapur. But yeah, look at the views. Hello everybody and welcome. So we have stopped at Thai food court over here. It's a very nice place to take a break. And yeah, we've been making good pace. We've been covering up a lot of distance. There's a lot of road noise over here. I hope the microphone isn't picking up too much of it. What I do want to tell about is these tires are just amazing. So these are the Continental Conti UC6. And they got launched internationally last year and they are just insanely silent on the road. It's very quiet, very peaceful and very less amount of vibrations that come through the car, and it's just very smooth. So these the stock tires that I got were the Michelin Primacy 3 STs. They were 195/60, so I've gone up a size. I've gone to 205/60 over here. And yeah, so it makes the sidewalls a little thicker and gives a lot more cushion for the ride, and it's just very comfortable. So again, Continental is not paying me to say any of this or anything, but get these if you can, right? It's a bit pricey, a bit expensive, but really worth it. Now she's been really enjoying driving on these tires. Yeah, so we're about to head out from here. We'll just stretch for a couple of minutes and then drink a bit of water, and then we'll leave from here. We have finally reached Belagavi. So this is the halfway point of the Bangalore-Bombay road. Bangalore-Mumbai road, yes. Mumbai-Bangalore road. And yeah, at last. So we've got 8 hours and 53 minutes of drive time left. And hopefully we'll make it to Bangalore by around 1 a.m. in the middle of the night. Yeah, happy to be going home. Yay! Traffic's been quite bad though. Hello, Mano.
Yes. Lot of traffic.
So we just stopped at Kamat Lokaruchi. Lokaruchi, na? Kamat Uchar. Yeah, Kamat Uchar. Just stopped. And now it's time for a driver change, and I'm going to be driving till Bangalore. Sun is just going down. Yeah, let's go. Alvena.